Mabuhay! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Especially in the Philippines, they had their New Year already. And here in Canada, we're just gonna start our New Year's Eve. And yeah, any New Year's resolution that you already thought of doing for this coming 2020? Because for myself, I need to be healthy. I need to stay healthy, not only for myself, but also for my family, for my work, and for all the people that loves me so much. Yeah, if you have any resolution, comment down below. I would love to see your New Year's resolution or any goals for 2020, because I'm so grateful for 2019. I can't thank 2019 enough, because I did a lot of travelings with my family, with myself. I had to see a lot of friends, a lot of relatives that I haven't seen for a while, for a year. And yeah, I was so blessed that I had an opportunity to see them. So thank you 2019, and bring it on 2020. So anyways, this video will be a walkthrough on my makeup for New Year's Eve. I would like to share it with you. How will I do my makeup? I'm really loving putting makeup on my face now, since I have some of you that are waiting for me and watching my videos of my makeup step by step for beginners like me. So without further ado, let's get started. First would be the foundation. So before I started this video, I already cleaned my face, and the brushes, I already sanitized them before I use them. And then I already put primer, so don't worry guys, I did all of that before doing the video, so that it's not gonna be that long. Oh, there you go, I forgot the light. Just blend it, blend your foundation. This is gonna be quick. Make sure to put some on your neck. Don't forget your neck.
Thank you for watching. Happy New Year again.